Hello everybody, welcome to this video. Today we're going to be making the beat that we just heard on the intro. There's a few other little things throughout, to do with the kick and just putting the drum rack out and just little things basically, how I go about building up from an empty session. Sometimes I can start with a synth, other times I can start with the drums, or sometimes I can hear a song or a pattern will come into my head and I just start kicking away with it. But for this session, we're going to start with the drums, yeah? So let's get started. I'm going to load up the drum rack. Got this drum rack here, yeah? So just going to play something and capture that. So I've got this other sound. Just texture the beat so I know where it's going. I'm going to record something in with this. Okay, so back to the drums. I just want to add some I'm going to put some hi-hats in. I got these rolls, so I'm going to put a couple of these in. Now with the drums, I could leave this, make it 8 bars, 16 bars, whatever, and just put a different variation at the end so every time it comes back round. But with this drum loop, I'm going to pull it down to 2 bars. It's going to be the same 2-bar loop. So it's only going to be a 2-bar drum loop, but I'm going to make variations of it in other ways through the scenes as I copy my scenes down, and I'm going to take snares out and hats and put the kick and the snare together and just play with it and on the scenes, but I'm going to keep it consistent. I just want to keep a consistent drum loop. And I just want to pitch some of these hi-hats down, so I'm going to just transpose a couple of these rolls down. The most important is the last one. I just want to drop the pitch down a little bit. So I'm going to see it just creates a nice little, rather than the same hi-hat pattern, it kind of just mixes it up. So I've got this other choir. I'm going to put some, it kind of sits with the other one. So I'm going to put this in, but I got a mind they don't clash together. One's like a pad and one's like a vocal. Sometimes to thicken up the kick, I like to use this. It's the drum bus. It's the Ableton stop tool. But yeah, thickens up the kick nice, man. Just adds that 808 in there. So I just want to put some other drums in. Just find something else to put in with this loop and start building up now. So I'm going to put some snares in, probably some rim shots as well. And then I'll double the scene down, start playing about with it, like I was on about before, rather than make the 16-bar loop or the 8-bar loop. So yeah, now I'll start playing with it and start messing about with it this way. I want to layer a shaker under that snare as well. I got this other sound and I want to play something in with this, so I'm going to record something. instrument. This time I'm going to record my beat over to the other window in real time. And here's a quick tip: if you've got two monitors, you can open both windows at the same time on both screens. So, but yeah, I think that's this beat finished. I hope you enjoyed watching. I'm going to play the beat through. I hope you enjoy the beat. You know, I've added a few effects and done some little bits and bobs. I'm going to play it out. I hope you enjoy the beat. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you next time.